Ay, ang daming mic.
Miss Margie, wala pa no?
Chancy, please.
Patawagin mo pa ba si Miss Margie?
Hindi na po, ito na yan. Magmo-moment lang po ang mga let's start with kung sinong gusto mong simulan direct magsalita. Diyos ko, maging proud na kayo sa ginawa niyo. Huwag kayo nag-iipon-ipon dyan, ano? Be proud and then share your ano. Okay.
May naiiwan pa ba?
May naiwan pa ba? Okay, that's about it.
Picture na naman tayo dito.
Oo, tama. Go direct!
Ano?
Ikaw muna, sorry. You have to share. This is your night. Go ahead.
Kumakain sila eh.
They're listening mo.
To the bosses of ABS-CBN, Ma'am Charo, Tita Malu, Inang, Tita Cory, maraming salamat po. Personally po, maraming salamat. At on behalf of my staff, maraming salamat. Hindi na po natin inisip na posible pa ang part 3. Ang hirap pong gawin. Mas mahirap po yan. Part 4. Always, it's a struggle to make this film.
Papayag lang mo yung may love scene.
Ma'am Charo, papayag lang daw si John Lloyd pag may love scene na. Ay, sabi ni Tita Malu, meron na ako.
Yung opening yung honeymoon.
Sequence 1.
Mami niya, mami niya.
But really po, no? Success is sweet naman talaga, no? We're always happy pag ganito. Kumikita pelikula, break ng records, maraming napapasaya. Yun lang naman ang gusto natin. Sa kabila ng kung gaano kahirap siya gawin, at kung gaano maraming away ang nangyayari sa set, makabuo lang ng isang pelikula. It's very hard to make a film. It's harder to make this one. It's harder to make a movie with John Lloyd Cruz and Sarah Geronimo. God, thank you. I always thank the Lord for the strength. For the strength. Alika dito! I-share mo! Hindi, but it's always God, no? It's always God na binanghahawakan ko lang every time ayaw ko na. Sabi nila part 4, hindi ako sumasagot. But to my cast who always understands me and my staff na lagi pinagbibigyan ang tantrums ko, init ng ulo ko, and to my bosses who always, kahit pinagagalitan na ako.
Hindi kayo mga bono!
Alam ko naman po kung para sa inyong paggalit, and I'm sorry for all my shortcomings. Alam kong hindi ako madaling direktor, hindi ako madaling katrabaho, hindi ako madaling empleyado. Alam ko lang masipag ako. Yun lang alam ko, masipag ako at masunurin po ako. But the rest, the rest I cannot do without my staff. And without my actors. And without John Lloyd who understands kahit nag-aaway na po kami. Wala pong pelikula hindi kami nag-away. Ito po medyo malala, slight. But to God be the glory. Siya lang naman lagi. Siya lang po. And again, si Kila Manay Ethel, to everyone who have PJ, who has always been there. And syempre, again po, thank you very much for the trust, for the love, for the support, and for the bonus. Thank you. Sandali, gusto po yata tumusunod. Uy, kanino?
Miss Carmen, it's your turn.
Sabi ko, Mike.
Go ahead. Everyone gets to, please share your message of thanks to the management and whatever.
Lahat daw. Hindi ako, lang po, napasalamatan ko na isa-isa yung mga nakalipas na araw. Pero salamat talaga. Hindi ko alam kung ano pa sasabihin ko, pero sobrang puno-puno lang po ako ng gratitude. And walang nag-akala na ganito yung nagiging response ng mga tao dun sa movie. Thank you po for listening dun sa naging message namin ng buong team dun sa pang pelikula. Salamat po dahil sinagbigyan kami para magkwento. Gusto ko lang i-acknowledge lahat ng creative team from part 1 until part 3. Kasi hindi mabubuo yung part 3 kung wala yung part 1 hanggang 2 and 3. si Raz de la Torre, si Rose Colindres, si Chief Loresca, si Nori Soriano, lahat sila naging part ng creative team. Of course, my staff, creative staff, Ange Pesumal, my creative supervisor na napakatsagang mag-follow up ng deadlines ko. Tsaka si Jan, si Nicolas, my creative assistant. Salamat po sa mga nagbigay ng support sa akin, sa mga kapatid ko sa creative, si Vanessa Valdez, si JP Caballera, Chris Gasmin, kay Vanji, kay Abby, sa buong creative team sa pag-intindi sa mga panahong tulala ako. Salamat po. Kina Direk Loren, Tita Cory, thank you. You know that. Thank you po. Thank you po. Ma'am Charo, na from the beginning, ang biggest fan ni Laida at ni Miggy. Thank you po. Tita Malu, thank you. Sorry sa lahat. Inang, thank you for never leaving me. Thank you. Writing is a very lonely activity, very lonely job. It demands na mag-isa ka to confront a lot of things. Pero all of these people made it worth it. So, salamat. Kasi kahit mahirap magsulat, nandyan sila palagi lahat. So, salamat po. Sobrang salamat lang. Hindi ko na alam kung may nakalimutan ako. Thank you, sorry. Thank you po. Thank you talaga.
Okay.
Lloydie, thank you. Sabi
Thank you.
Sarah, thank you for opening their hearts. Especially nung part na tinanong namin sila kung pwede silang magsulat with me, yung wedding vows.
Hindi ka ma-close?
Hindi mo, ayoko na. Thank you for being honest, for sharing your experience. Kayo ni Sarah, thank you. Direk, thank you. Ito ang pinakamahirap natin pagsasama. Thank you po. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you po.
Thank you, Miss Army. Okay, Mr. Tihan, Kiki. Oh, everyone. Okay, sino pang gusto magsalita? Okay, go ahead.
Future director.
Naman.
I'm really bad at public speaking, so this is my greatest fear. But everyone's already been thanked. I would just like to thank the Star Cinema crew for
Yeah!
their hard work. And sometimes not so hard work. Thank you very much, boys.
Some people.
Thank you naman. Of course, who else? Sino gusto magsalita? Please.
Shari! Si Shari!
Salamat kayo.
Shari!
Sa lahat na nakapanood, sa lahat na appreciate lalo ng wedding